Hello everyone, my name is Jason Lee, and today we'll be going over lesson 35, which is about yards, feet, inches, and also miles as well. So this first section is between yards, feet, and inches. So let's look at this note on the side here. So it says, note 1 yard equals 3 feet, 1 feet equals 12 inches. Now with that in mind, let's solve the first two questions. 54 yards equals blank amount of feet. So we see 1 yard equals 3 feet. So basically, we will have to do 54 times 3 in order to find out how many feet there are. So that would be 4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 3 is 15, and which equals 16. And then we have 162. So 54 yards equals 162 feet. Alright, that's pretty simple. Let's do number 2 now. So now we go from 8 yards equals blank amount of inches. Now this isn't just we're not moving between yards and feet. We're moving from yards to feet and then all the way to inches. So this is, it might seem more complicated, but not really. So let's look at this. So 8 yard. So 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 feet equals 12 inches. Let's first turn these 12. Let's turn inches into feet first. So 12 times 3 will equal 36. So we can find out that 3 feet equals 36 inches. This is like a ratio. So this is basically this times 3. So now we've simplified this. So now we can basically think 36 inches equals 1 yard. Because, well, 1 yard equals 3 feet, and 3 feet equals 36 inches. So now we have 8 yards. So 8 yards equals, so that would be 8 times 36. Oh, well, we should write like 36 times 8, like that. So that would be 6 times 8, 48. 8 times 3, which equals 24, but then plus 4 equals 28. So we have 288 inches. 8 yards equals 288 inches. So basically, just step by step, I just multiplied this ratio by 3, so equals 3 feet equals 36 inches. So it would be, so we can basically just know that 3 feet equals 36 inches, and 1 yard, which is equal to 30 feet, equals 36 inches. So 1 yard equals 36 inches. That sounds complicated, but yeah, that's basically it. Alright, next we're dealing with miles here. And this note I wrote here, note 1 mile equals 1,760 yards, 1 yards equals 5,280 feet. So big numbers, right? But really all I have to do is multiply. Yes, it'll be a bit longer, but it's not that hard, hopefully. So let's look at this. 23 miles equals not 1 yard, blank amount of yards. So let's see, 1 mile equals 1,760 yards, right? So all you have to do is multiply this by 23 miles. So we have to do some long multiplication. So 0 times 3 is 0. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 3, 21, and then 22. 3 times 1 equals 3, and then 5. Alright. And we add this extra 0 here. 0 times 2 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14, but it's 15. 2 times 1 is 2, but it's 3. Now we 0. Wait. Oh yeah, I thought this. I had bad handwriting, so I couldn't see that. But yeah, that's 8, 4, 10, and then 4. So basically, 23 miles equals 40,480 yards. All right. Now we have to go from 72 miles to feet. So as we did in number 2, we're going across like 2 units of measurement. So we have to find out how many miles. So let's first find out how much 1 mile equals in let me rephrase that. How much 1 mile is in feet. So 1 mile is 1,760 yards. and 1 yard is 5,280 feet. So let's first multiply these two so we can find out how many miles, how many feet is in a mile. So this is going to be a bit long. So we're going to use a calculator for this one. Alright, so when we type this equation into our calculator. So 5,280 times 1,760, and that equals wow, that's a big number, but that is 9,292,800. Alright, so we have that. Alright, now this is equal to 1 mile, and this is feet. So now we have here over 72 miles. So we know that 1 mile equals this amount of feet. So what we do would be 9292800 feet times 72 miles. Now let's put that in a calculator again, since we don't want to do such long multiplication. So 9292800. Yeah, and then times 72. And here we get, oh, that's a pretty big number. Yeah, oh, oops, I accidentally deleted it. So it would be 6,690,81600 feet. Now that's a pretty big number. Of course, you're gonna use a calculator to assist you, because that's some ridiculous numbers there. But yeah, anyways, hope this helped, and have a good day or night.